Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix Instagram story uploading problem. To know how to fix Instagram story uploading problem, you should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this page, you will go to apps here. And when you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Instagram here. When you will see this list, you will go down to force stop. When you will end this, you will go to enter here storage like this. After that, in this page, you will click clear cache. Then you will click clear data. And after all that, you can turn off your phone so that you can know how to fix Instagram story uploading problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.